watching Tony R619 Breaks. Booyah!
Hey, what's up my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video. Today I got another wrestling bots break. I got a 2019 Topps WWE Raw. We are looking for 10 packs and 1 relic card and 71 cards in this box. There's the other side view. There's another front view with Ronda Rousey. And I believe the set is of 100 because that's usually what they do. Their sets too, 100. Why don't we go ahead and get started and open up this baby up. All right, wish me luck. Hopefully we get a good card. I prefer to get a hit of a WWE Women's Division girl. That's my preference. But let's see what we get, all right? All right, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So here is our relic card. We'll do that one last. And here are the packs. All right, here we go. WWE Raw 2019, 7 cards per pack. I don't know too much about this set. We got Cedric Alexander, Mike Rome, Samir Singh, Akam, I don't know how to pronounce that. You tell me. Curtis Axel, Mark Henry. So we got some old schoolers in here too. And Heath Slater, Hometown Heroes. So that looks like it's an insert. So we got like one insert and then all these base cards. All right. Here you go. Pack number 2. We get a nice low number card. Finn Balor. We got Connor. Nikki Bella. I'll take that. Do these have any Booyah backs? No Booyah backs. All right. Got Nikki Bella. We got Titus O'Neil. Got a like a gold parallel. Mark Andrews. Is this number? Not numbered. Got Edge. And then we got another Hometown Heroes, Drew McIntyre. He's from Scotland. And this guy's from Wyoming, West Virginia. Hometown Heroes. All right. We got Noam Dar. Kane. Very nice. Jason Jordan, Drake Maverick, Bobby Roode, Lita, nice, another Booyah, and Bobby Lashley. He's from Colorado Springs. All right, let's pack. Got Alicia Fox. We have Michael Cole, Maria Canales, Hottie, Scott Dawson, Cedric Alexander, gold parallel, I guess it's a gold parallel, Road Dogg, and Hometown Heroes, Cedric Alexander. He's from North Carolina, from Charlotte, North Carolina. I guess that's the only insert. There we go. Ronda Rousey. We're looking for tribute cards. I don't think that's her tribute card though. We got Nia Jax. We got that awesome relic of Nia Jax in our women's division. Bots break. We got Mike Canales, Maria Canales' husband. Bo Dallas, Brock Lesnar, and there's the Ronda Rousey tribute cards. Very cool. Looks like it's a set of 40. I don't think I'm gonna collect that set. And we got Hideo Itami from Japan. Right, let's pack. Got Ember Moon, Kevin Owens, KO, Rasar, Stephanie McMahon, Mike Rome, Psycho Sid, and Roman Reigns. He is from Pensacola, Florida. All right. Next pack. Gentleman Jack Gallagher, Big Joseph, Renee Young, nice, Mickey James, Booyah, Leo Rush, or is that Lyle Rush, Goldberg, and Nia Jax. She's from San Diego, California. I don't think I've ever seen her here. Is she really from San Diego, California? San Diego is also the home of Lucha Libre legend Rey Mysterio and the Bella Twins. Outside of sports entertainment, San Diego resides includes Marcus Allen. All right, maybe I'll see her around town. John Cena. I know he used to be here in San Diego a lot. John Cena, when he was dating one of the Bella Twins. David Utanga, Braun Strowman, Baron Corbin, Samir Singh, Bader, and Mickey James from Richmond, Virginia. Booyah. All right, we got 2 more packs and then the relic card. We got Kurt Hawkins, Dana Brooke, Jonathan Coachman, Kurt Angle, Paul Heyman, Trish Stratus, nice, and Booker T. He's from Houston, Texas. All right, last regular pack. Sunil Singh, got Drew Gulak, TJP, Mojo Rawley, Akam, Gold Parallel, Ric Flair, and Bailey. She's from San Jose, California. All right, now for our relic. I hope it's not a matte relic. 1 relic card. It feels like thin, like a matte relic. All right, here we go, guys. Ooh, no, it's not a matte relic. It's the Miz. Very nice. Intercontinental Championship from Raw. That's a very nice belt. Commemorative medallion. Very nice. I like these. Very cool. And it's number out of 199. Okay, I'll take it. All right. So there you have it, guys. There's my bots break. There's our hit. And I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll probably do the next one. Will be Raw number 2. All right. See you guys. God bless.